In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your J.Crew account to check your orders seamlessly. First things first, let's get started by opening your web browser. You can use any browser of your choice, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, whatever you're most comfortable with. Once you've got your browser open, head over to the J.Crew website by typing in www.jcrew.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you directly to their homepage, which is full of the latest fashion offerings from J.Crew. Now that we're on the homepage, the next step is to sign into your account. You can find the sign in option conveniently placed at the top right corner of the web page. So go ahead and click on that. You'll then be prompted to enter your email and password. These should be the same credentials that you used when you first created your J.Crew account. If you happen to have any trouble remembering your password, there's usually a forgot password link there that can help you reset it. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll now be able to access all the personalized features of your J.Crew account. With that done, let's move on over to your account settings. After signing in, you should see either your name or an account icon in the same top right area of the web page. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select the My Account option. This is where you'll have access to your personal details, settings, and other important account features, adding a bit of customized control to your online shopping experience. Now we're getting closer to finding your order details. Once you've arrived at the My Account page, the next thing to do is to navigate to the Orders section where you can view your current and past transactions with J.Crew. Here you should be able to see a pretty straightforward list of any orders you've made, complete with dates, items purchased, and each order's status. This is particularly handy for keeping track of what you bought and when to expect it. So, there you have it. You now know how to easily find and check your orders on J.Crew's website. Whether you're just starting with online shopping or you're a seasoned pro, knowing your way around your account really helps in ensuring a smooth shopping experience. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow, and that you're all set to navigate your J.Crew account confidently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping!